second topic that I discuss is pipe series and parallel. Pipe series and parallel. So this is your pipe in series form. So Q in is equivalent sa Q out. So Q in is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to Q out. Ang imong discharge relation ang tawag ni ang head loss relation nimo relation kay ang head loss sa 1, head loss sa 2 og head loss sa 3 kay i-add summation ra nimo i-add nimo. So HF total is equal to HF1 plus HF2 plus HF3. Then kani siya is pipe within the series parallel form. So the Q1 is equivalent sa Q in is equivalent sa Q out. So Q in mo is 1, then Q out mo is 5. So the discharge relation niya, relation kay Q in or 1 is equal to Q out. Then ang Q total is equal to Q2 or Q1 kani siya Q1 is equal to Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. Then ang kuan niya head loss relation kay equal ra ang iyahang head loss sa tanan HF HF2 is equal to HF3 is equal to HF4. Then ang head loss total nimo is HF1 plus HF2 plus HF3. The example of pipe series and parallel. So the pipe 1 and 2 and 3 are connected with a parallel to each other, with pipe 1 having diameter of 450 mm, 600 meter long. The pipe 2 is 400 mm and 800 meter long, and pipe 3 is 500 mm, then 7 meter long. The three pipes carry combined discharge of 0.86 cubic meter per second, assuming that F or friction is equal to 0.02 for all pipes. Compute the following. So question number 1 is compute the discharge pipe 1. Number 2, compute the discharge pipe 2. Then 3 is compute the discharge pipe 3. So number 1, compute the discharge of the pipe. So ang HF nimo sa 1 is equal ra sa HF2 is equal to HF3. So the formula niya HF 0.0826 FLQ squared over D to the 5th. So the same naman ang yang 0.0826 kaya naman siya F nimo nga 0.02. Same raman ang imo ang cancel ra nimo. So ang may bilin kay L Q1 squared is equivalent to L Q L1 then 2 Q2 squared over D1 fifth over D2 to the fifth. So ang L nimo sa 1 is L sa pipe 1 is 600. Then Q nimo is Q1 raised to the 2. Diameter nimo is 0.5 equals to pipe 2 nimo is 800. Then 400 Q2 nimo over D to the fifth nimo kay 800 then 0.4 raised to the fifth. So 600 over 0.45 raised to the 5. So 32515.37 Q1 squared over 800 over 450. Uy, 450. 4. So 78125 Q2 squared. So kuhaon mo ang Q1 man kay pipe discharge pipe 1 man ang ipangita. So Q2 is equal to divider nimo 78125. So 32515.37 divided by 78125. Then square root. Then answer is 0.645 Q 1. So number Q2 nimo is L2 Q2 squared or L1 L1 is equivalent to L3 D to the fifth L3 Q 3 squared over D to the 3 fifth. Then L nimo sa 1 is parehara siya. So 600 Q1 squared over 0.45 raised to the fifth. Ang L nimo sa kuan is 700. Then Q3 nimo is squared over 0.5 raised to the fifth. So parehara man siya sa 32 515.37 Q1 squared is equal to 700 divided by 0.5 raised to the 5. So 22 for 400 Q to the 3 2. Then Q3 is equal to i-divide lang nimo siya og 32515.37 divided by 400. Then square root. So na siya 1.205 Q1. So Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 kay the same raman yang discharge 0.86. So i-add na nimo na siya Q1 nimo plus Q2 nimo is 0.645 Q2 or Q1 plus Q3 mo is 1.205 Q1 is equivalent to 0.86. 0.86. So makuha na nimo ang imong Q1. So 1 plus 0. Or x plus 0.645 x plus 1.20205 x is equal to 0.86 na kay Q1 mo is 0.3018 cubic meter per second. Muna siya imong Q1 or discharge 1. So number 2 is compute the discharge 2. So naa naman kay Q2 is equal to 0.645 Q1 na kay Q1 nga 0.645 times 0.3018 Q2 nimo is 0.645 times 0.3018 times na kay Q1 nimo Q2 nimo is 0.1947 cubic meter per second. Ano siya mo ang Q2. So number 3, compute the discharge pipeline 3. So Q3 nimo nanam sa equation nga 1.205 Q1. Ang Q1 nimo is 1.025 times 0.3018. So Q3 nimo is 1.205 times 0.3018 na kay discharge sa number 33637 cubic meter per second. That's it.